Hi there, let's learn Dutch, and in this video you're going to learn how to say so in Dutch. As you're progressing, as you're learning already a few sentences and so on, you might look for those little words like so that you can use very often to fill your language, but you'll have to learn them correctly. That is also very important. So, how do you say so in Dutch? In Dutch, you say so by using the word dus. A bit like thus, but with a D. So, dus. An alternative is wel. One L, no, not two L's. Why is there a bit of confusion there? Because there is also a word zo in Dutch. Zo. And with double O, that's a zoo, a dieren or a dierentuin. That's literally the animals, the garden of animals. But we're not talking about the animal garden, not talking about the zoo. We're talking about zo. So that's why some people are a bit confused because they're very similar, zo and so. And zo is also a Dutch word. So it's very important that you start off with using these words right, because if you're not going to use this word right at the beginning, you'll have a lot of difficulties later on correcting it. And many of my students sometimes have problems with this, so that's why I'm making this video. So another expression with so, and I'm using a lot of so's in this video, so it's very important to learn the proper use. Another expression, I think so. How do you say it in Dutch? Well, it's ik denk het, or ik denk van wel. And I don't think so. Ik denk het niet. Ik denk van niet. So, don't use ik denk zo. It has another meaning. It's not the same as I think so. So make sure to use the right way. Ik denk het. And it's the same for I hope so. Ik hoop het. Ik hoop het. And not ik hoop zo. Other meaning. So what does zo actually mean in Dutch? Well, zo has a few meanings, and the main ones are the following two. The first one is if you would like to say, this video is so interesting. Well, I don't know. I hope so. Ik hoop het. I hope it's very interesting. But then you would use zo. Deze video is zo interessant. And the second use is to say something like this. It's an answer to the question how. For example, if you're ordering 3 drinks, would you order it like this or like this? And in Dutch, like this or like this, it would be zo of zo. So that's the meaning of zo in Dutch. So to sum it up, when you're using this word so as a bit in between the sentences, as a fill word, use dus. Don't forget it, and don't make the mistake of using so in the wrong way, because it's very difficult to unlearn it. And also don't make the mistake of not subscribing to this channel. So don't make that mistake. Bye bye.